Sunnah wa Jamaah is a broad sect. It's a sect. Now, if within this, actually, I'm Shafi, I'm Maliki, I'm Hanafi, I'm this, I'm that. This is not a difference between Sunnah wa Jamaah. This is a difference between, these are matters which are related to the practice itself, right? These are not, there are two kinds of issues. There are the jurisprudic issues and there are aqaid related issues, matter of belief itself, matter of faith itself. The ones that become a problem are the matters of faith, the matters of belief, aqaid related issues. For example, if somebody stops saying that Rasulullah is actually Noor and not a human, he's a Noor, then that's an aqaid related issue. That's an issue of your Aqidah. Deoband is a school among, and not even a school, is basically an institute that teaches the Hanafi mazhab, and the ones who are called Deobandi are basically the ones who are following the Hanafi mazhab per se, as it has been taught by the institute called Deoband. That is what Deobandi is. And the reason that Deobandi term came out was because there was another term that came up, which was that of Barelvi. Now, Barelvi in their mazhab are also Hanafi, but in their aqaid are a bit shaky, right? So it's a question of aqidah as opposed to the mazhab that they follow, right? They are not a sect. They are a chain, basically, for establishing a connection to Rasulullah. So that's a sanad that's a reference of. There is no aqidah. Like, if I'm Naqshband, then I'm Naqshband because of the chain that goes through. I'm Naqshband Mujaddidi, right? That's a chain that goes, that what is my spiritual connection with Rasulullah, who is my teacher, who is his teacher, who's his teacher, who's his teacher. But as far as my following is concerned, I am Hanafi, I am from Ahlus Sunnah wa Jamaah, and on the top of that,